Hi, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This is my red gold tone smoky eye that I created using the Bare Necessities palette by Colourpop. This is a must-have eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Hustler on a Colourpop E16. This is like an all-over blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this all over the crease area. On the same E16 blending brush, I'm going to go with the shade Hot Gossip, which is my favorite shade in the palette. It's the perfect everyday crease shade, and I'm just going to blend this into the crease area. Next, I'm going to go with the shade Hot, which is this like burnt red shade on a Morphe M507. This is my absolute favorite blending brush. It's tapered so you can be very precise, but it's a blending brush so you're blending it out. And I'm just blending this shade low in the crease area. Next, I'm going to go with the shade Velveteen on a Colourpop E19. This is a much more dense blending brush, and I'm going to focus this on my outer corner. This shade is not as pigmented as I would like it to be, but it works. I'm going to spray my E4 by Colourpop with some Milani setting spray, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Designer Dupes. I'm then going to apply this to the inner half of my eyelid. These shades in the palette, the shimmers, when applied wet, are so beautiful and pigmented. They're probably like my second favorite shimmer eyeshadows ever. Next, I'm going to go with the Morphe JH38 in the shade Taboo to help darken up the outer V. The e.l.f. sticker there is like coming up. They usually never come up, but I'm just tapping this and blending this in the outer V area to help darken it up. Next, I'm going to go in with a Colourpop E4 wet with some Milani setting spray. The shade Revel, which is this beautiful chocolate golden shimmer shade, right into the center of my eye between the previous shimmer and the darker outer corner. I'm then going to remove my e.l.f. sticker, which gives me this perfect wing, which makes it so easy to apply your winged eyeliner, and I'm going to dust away the excess eyeshadow. I'm going in with the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner, and I'm giving myself this really skinny Kylie Jenner type wing. And my eyeliner will only go halfway across my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with my absolute favorite blending brush ever, the Morphe M507 in the shade Hot. And I'm just going to blend that into the bottom lash line to really bring some balance to this look. I'm then going to go with a Morphe JH38, which is a more dense blending brush in the shade Vixen to darken up the outer half of the bottom lash line. I'm then going to take a lavish pencil brush and Becca Moonstone highlight and apply that to my inner corner to brighten up the look. This was just a sample of the highlight, but it is my absolute favorite highlight ever for the inner corner. I then also apply this to my brow bone. I'm then going to apply some Rimmel London Nude eyeliner to my bottom waterline to help make my eyes appear bigger and more open. I'm then going to apply some mascara and then go in with some Kiss lashes in the style Twilight. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I love hearing from you guys.